Hey guys, this is Tony with DecoNetwork. Every now and then we have this question come up, something you might run into. It's called a cross-site session. So what I want to do is show you how this happens, why it happens, and how to prevent it going forward. So basically, just real easy, what a cross-site session is when you log into your affiliate store first, and then try to access your admin area in your main account. So let me give you an example here. So this current site that I'm on now, this is an affiliate site for one of my accounts. So what I'm going to do is just log in here to my affiliate site, and you can tell here that I'm not logged into my main account here because I don't have the admin options that you would see on the left-hand side here. So let me just show you an example here. So I'm going to come down here to my fulfillment center account. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is try to get to my admin area. And there we go, I have a cross-site session. To prevent this from ever happening, you just want to make sure to always log into your main account first before you attempt to access your affiliate sites. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.